Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a common problem. People trying to fix Origin errors like 20:403, not realizing that Origin has been replaced by the EA app for PC users. Let's break it down and get to the solution. Here's the deal. As of October 2022, EA completely replaced Origin with the EA app for PC users. Many people don't know this, and unfortunately, some videos still suggest outdated fixes that won't work anymore. The good news, you don't lose your games or data. The EA app supports the same backup system, so you can log in with your existing EA account from Origin and everything will sync automatically. Or, if you prefer, you can create a new account. It's entirely up to you. Uninstall Origin, if installed. First, press Windows plus S, type Control Panel, and open it. From there, go to Programs or Programs and Features and find Origin in the list. Select it and uninstall it completely. This is important because Origin and the EA app can conflict with each other if both are installed. Download and install the EA app. Click the official link in the video description to download the EA app. Install it on your PC after downloading. Log in to the EA app, use your Origin account credentials, and all your games and data will transfer over automatically. That's it, you're all set and ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, leave a like and drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.